So this is our black waffle set. This has just been restocked. 108 down from 155. 28 inch, 24 inch, your vanity and your 20 inch here. We've got your 360 wheels, aluminium handle. TSA lock is just here on the top there for reference. The vanity again can go on any of the cases and has got the elasticated strap. Inside is like so. Zip, divider, adjustable strap. And 360 wheels, aluminium handle, TSA lock. And inside, zip compartment, divider, adjustable strap. And again, you can get them separately, you can get them as a set. Is there any questions? Oh yeah, I received my suitcase with a little damage in that anyway. I don't have to return it.